it's Angel of 1FM 91.3, and today I'd like to share with you my no need to want chocolate loaf. Now I call it that because there's no need for any kneading and there's no need for any fancy baking equipment. Now before I tried this recipe, I had never baked before in my life, and I was a little bit apprehensive about trying it out because I had no equipment at all, but this recipe turned out to be really, really easy. So what you're going to need is a couple of big bowls for you to mix your dry and your wet ingredients in. Some of these measuring spoons would be very, very handy. Measuring cups as well. And very importantly, baking paper. Now, even if you don't have a proper sort of baking pan like this, you can just use, which I did the first time, a regular oven-proof dish and then just line it with your baking paper. Your loaf won't come out the perfect shape of a loaf, but it'll still be very, very edible and it will not change the flavor. So if you don't have it, if you don't have one of these, don't worry. Another thing I would say to purchase would be vanilla or almond extract, not essence. My first recipe had almond essence in it and a really bad synthetic taste to it. So get some extract if you can get your hands on it, whether it's vanilla or almond. Now this recipe is really fun for the kids to get involved with as well. There are no sharp tools involved except maybe for the heat of the oven, and they can have a lot of fun with it. It's a healthy recipe, it's vegan, and there is no sugar in it. So you can freeze these this whole loaf, you slice them up and freeze it, and you can have them any time of the day. So have some fun with it. You'll see in the recipe that I've added some variables like chocolate chips and nuts, so go crazy with it. Here's the recipe.